The West Indies is home to many stunning destinations. Here are 5 beautiful places you might want to consider visiting. 1. St. Lucia. Known for its dramatic twin peaks, the Piedmont, St. Lucia offers lush rainforests, volcanic beaches, and luxurious resorts. 2. Barbados. Famous for its crystal clear waters and vibrant culture, Barbados is perfect for beach lovers and those interested in local festivals. 3. Turks and Caicos. This destination boasts some of the world's most beautiful beaches, with pristine white sand and turquoise waters. 4. Dominica. Often referred to as the Nature Island, Dominica is ideal for ecotourism, with its hot springs, waterfalls, and lush landscapes. 5. Antigua. Known for its 365 beaches, one for each day of the year, Antigua is a paradise for sun seekers and water sports enthusiasts.